IU has been buying beef and pork from us for over 10 years, and it's been a long, really good relationship where we started with the union using our beef products, and then over the last few years, they've used our products across all the residence halls. At Fischer Farms, we raise the calves. At the end of their life, we then take them to the processing plant that's only 10 miles away, a family-run plant. My wife coordinates all the delivery to the customers, so when IU places an order for 3,000 pounds of burger, we then start producing that, and we ship it to them fresh based off of that order. About once a week, I come to IU. I really enjoy talking to the chefs and finding out from them what their current issues are, but then we also talk about other products that they're interested in replacing.
At Right Food Eateries, we've incorporated Fischer Farms into everything we can there because we believe in what they do and the way they grow their meat, the way they are innovative farmers. It makes us very proud to serve their meat.
I think Indiana University and Fischer Farms is really kind of working through the details of how a university can work with a local farmer. And we're carrying that to other universities, but also to other farmers.
Other universities should start sourcing locally because it is the right thing to do, not only for our generation, but for the next generation and just for the world in general.
I think universities like Indiana University are on the leading edge of trying to understand the global issues that we're facing. And I think partnering with local farms like us, we can work together to tackle some of these bigger issues.